In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust a light's brightness in Blender. If your scene looks too dark, too blown out, or just doesn't have the mood you're going for, changing a light's power is the quickest fix. Start by selecting the light you want to adjust. You can click it directly in the 3D viewport, or if it's hard to grab because of overlapping objects, choose it from the outliner on the right. Selecting from the outliner is especially handy when you have multiple lights with similar names or when the light is off screen. With the light selected, look to the Properties editor on the right side of your interface and click the light bulb icon. That's the Light Properties panel. This is where all the key settings for your selected light live, and it works the same way for point, sun, spot, and area lights. Inside this panel, find the setting labeled Power. It's measured in watts, and it directly controls how bright the light is. Don't worry if the numbers seem high or low compared to real-world bulbs. Blender's scale is scene dependent, so the right value is whatever looks correct in your setup. A small indoor scene might look good with a few dozen watts on a point light, while a large studio setup or an area light may need much higher values. To change brightness, either type a new number or click and drag on the power value to the left or right. Dragging right increases the brightness, dragging left decreases it. If you want precise control, type a number directly. Make adjustments gradually so you can see how each change affects the scene. If the light is washing out your materials or creating harsh highlights, dial it down. If shadows look muddy and detail is hard to read, increase the power. To clearly see the result of your changes, switch your viewport shading to Material Preview or Rendered mode. Solid mode won't show realistic lighting, so it's easy to misjudge brightness there. Material Preview gives a quick, interactive look that's close to final, while Rendered mode shows the most accurate result based on your render engine and settings. If you still don't see much difference in Material Preview, check the viewport shading options and make sure scene lights are being used. That's all you need to control light intensity in Blender. Select the light, open the light properties, adjust the power, and review the result in a shading mode that reflects actual lighting. With a few tweaks, you'll have balanced illumination that supports your composition and materials.